Welcome back. Today, we are going to learn about custom hooks in React. Custom hooks allow us to reuse logic across multiple components and keep our code clean and organized. Let's understand how and why to create custom hooks. Now, let's understand custom hooks. Custom hooks are functions that allow us to reuse React logic across multiple components. In real applications, the same logic is often repeated in different components, such as fetching data, handling forms, or managing state. This repetition makes code harder to maintain. Custom hooks solve this problem. They help us extract reusable logic and keep our components clean and readable. There are a few important rules. Custom hook names must always start with use. They can also call other React hooks inside them. Now, let's see a simple custom hook called useCounter. Inside this hook, we use useState to manage a count value, which starts at 0. We define two functions, increment and decrement. These functions increase or decrease the count by 1. The hook returns the count along with the increment and decrement functions. When we use this hook in a component, we can reuse the same counter logic across components without duplicating code. Now, let's see what happens internally with custom hooks. React treats custom hooks just like normal functions. All the rules of hooks still apply, and the state inside a custom hook is isolated for each component that uses it. Custom hooks can use other React hooks such as useState, useEffect, and useContext. They can also use other custom hooks, which makes logic reuse even more powerful. However, custom hooks do not create any UI. They do not return JSX or render components. Their only purpose is to share logic, making components cleaner and easier to maintain. That's it for custom hooks. We learned how they help reuse logic, keep components clean, and make applications easier to maintain. In the next video, we'll continue exploring more React hooks. Thank you for watching.